Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a digital marketing software that I've been using for years, and that I truly believe in, HighLevel. HighLevel is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform that is packed with powerful features to help you grow your business. Whether you're a brand new digital marketer just getting started, or a seasoned professional looking to scale your agency to new heights, HighLevel can help. One of the things I love most about HighLevel is its built-in CRM. With HighLevel, you can easily manage your contacts and leads, track your sales pipeline, and automate your follow-up process. And with the platform's advanced email and text automation tools, you can stay in touch with your prospects and customers like never before. Another great feature of HighLevel is its website and funnel builders. With these tools, you can create beautiful, high-converting landing pages, sales pages, and other web assets in minutes, without any coding or design experience. And with HighLevel's social media scheduling and reputation management tools, you can easily manage your online presence across multiple platforms. And the best part? HighLevel's pricing model is perfect for agencies. For one low monthly fee, you can add as many clients, users, and contacts as you want, making it an extremely cost-effective solution. But don't just take my word for it. Try HighLevel for yourself with an extended free trial, and see how it can help you grow your business. Simply click the link in the description below to get started. So there you have it, HighLevel, a platform that is packed with powerful features to help you grow your business. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or a seasoned professional looking to scale your agency to new heights, HighLevel is the perfect solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.